Welcome to Autism Mathematics. In this video, we have three circles with radii 2, 3, and 3. Touch each other as shown in this diagram. This is one circle, another one, and then the third one. So all these three circles are touching each other. What is the area of the triangle formed by joining the centers of these circles? Okay, so let's see how we are going to do this. So obviously the smaller circle will have the smaller radius. So, and what is radius? When you draw a line from the center to any part of the circle, that line is radius. So from here to here is 2, that is the radius, and then this side to here 2 is 2. So let's come to this circle. So that is the center. If you draw a line from the center to this part, this is 3, and then this is also 3. Let's come to this one. So this is radius, which is 3, and then this is 3. Okay, so let's bring out the triangle. So this is the triangle. So on this side, 2 plus 3 is 5, and then this side to 2 plus 3 is also 5, and the base is 6. So this is isosceles triangle, and let's draw a line from the apex to the base. When we draw a line from the apex to the base, here is 3, then here 2 is 3, and this is the height. Okay, area of triangle is half base times height. So first let's look for height. Let's look at one of the right angle triangle, and by Pythagoras theorem we can say that h squared plus 3 squared is equal to 5 squared. So h squared will be equal to 5 squared minus 3 squared. H squared is 25 minus 9. When you subtract, we have 16. So h will be square root of 16, and which is 4. Okay, so we can now find the area of the triangle. So the area now becomes 1 on 2 times the base is 6 times height, which is 4. So 2 will go into 4 2 times, and when we multiply 6 by 2, we are going to get 12 square units. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.